Namaskar. I welcome all of you to Degree Calculations 11th episode. Last time, when we were studying about the 10th episode, we were studying about different types of pattern developments of certain jobs. Certain jobs means this kind of one job and its pattern developments we were doing. Last time I had told about it, so I did not say about it. Its minor diameter is. I didn't say about minor diameter or major diameter. I have indicated its medium diameter 1180 and its straight length is 700 and its thickness is 20 mm and its height is 2000. I don't draw its plan, elevation, other sections and all because I am just teaching you only. Last some episodes I had described about it already. For making its development, we got to one decision and we told this kind of one job has to be made. In this portion, from here to here, we have to roll. It's a short form, I have written R. And from here to here, we shouldn't roll and that portion has to be kept straight. I have written there S. It is 700 and it is 1853.5 and its height is 2000. This height is 2000. This job's height is 2000. Finally, we took one decision. It has to be its development. If we make this kind of two jobs, we can roll it and some portion, this much of portion, we can keep straight. Afterwards, if we keep it in a platform, we can make this kind of one job from here to here and another one more job we need that can be started from here to here. It's a development I have written. Finally, we told if we make it like that, it won't have accuracy because we have to give welding gap there. So we decreased 4 mm. For decreasing that, before telling about it, I would like to say one thing more. This development and this development are same, but what is the difference? This is 1853.5 plus 700. How much it is? That measurement I have written here. 2553.5 and its height is 2000. Both are same. This one I have indicated rolling length, straight length. Here its length and width have been indicated and other things have been indicated. And I have written a word D. D means developments. It is a development. It is a development. Whatever measurement comes from here to here, it has been added and I have written here. So this is finally we thought it should be its development. Afterwards we recognized we have to give 4 mm gap here, 4 mm gap here. So we decreased 2 mm from this plates this side and 2 mm from this plates this side. 2 mm we decreased from here, 2 mm decreased from here. So total 4 mm we decreased. That is this measurement. From 2553.5 we decreased 4 mm for welding gap. Then we got to 2549.5. I don't describe about it also because last time I had indicated about it. Finally we told, we considered it may have accuracy. Afterwards we recognized when we cut it, cutting gap will be lost. Gas cutting gap will be lost. We told about nozzles and it's cutting gaps. Last time we have told about it, so I don't describe about it. So if we mark 2549.5 or and 2000, and if we cut using plasma cutting or gas cutting, its center portion will be cut and approximately 2.5 mm will be lost. So what we have to do? We have to add 2.5 mm with the 2.5 mm to this 2549.5. Then it will become 2552. Last time I had told about it. Here also we have to increase the length because in this portion also we are cutting. I am not describing more about it. Last time I had told about it. You have to see last episode. Okay. So we increased 2.5 mm for gas cutting allowance. So I have written here for cutting allowance. For cutting allowance we have to increase 2.5 mm for this 20 mm plate. It is 20 mm plate. So it has become 2552 and 2002.5. It has got more accuracy. Then also we have to think one thing. After tacking, after welding, what will happen? When we weld in this portion, there is a welding here and one welding comes here also. After welding, when you start to welding, that time itself, this 4 mm gap will be coming to inside. 4 mm gap will be coming to inside. At least 1 mm it will come to inside in between your welding. After welding, it starts to become cold. When you stop the welding, it means heating has been started and cooling has been started. It means heating has been completed, finished, and cooling has been started. When welding stops, that time 1 more mm it will come inside. 1 more mm. First, in between your welding, 1 mm comes, and after welding, when it starts to become cold, that time also 1 mm it will be decreased. It will come to inside. It means that material will have shrinkage. 1 mm first it comes inside and 1 more mm comes inside. So 2 mm comes inside. In this welding portion, 2 mm comes inside approximate. Here also 2 mm comes inside. It means for this plate, this is one plate and this is another one plate. For this plate, 1 mm goes from here, 1 mm goes from here. So when we make development, we have to add 2 mm more. Otherwise, when we tack it, it will be proper measurement. 700 will be same, 1180 will be same, 20 will be correct, 2000 will be correct, everything will be correct. But after welding, because of shrinkage, you will lose approximately 2 mm. So you have to add 2 mm. I have added. It is considering shrinkage. 2552 is not a good measurement. We recognize for shrinkage. We have to add 2 mm with that one. So it is 2554. And we didn't add 2002.5 plus 2 mm. Why? Because last time I had told you, in this portion welding, in this job, it is the job, so one portion. It's a top side, there is no welding coming. There is no welding coming in its both side. Welding comes in this side and this side only. Welding comes in this place and this place only. It is planned, so I can show its point only. If I had written its elevation or side view, I would have shown it like this. From here to here, welding comes. From here to here, welding comes. Now I can't say about it. In this plan, in this portion, welding comes. In this portion, it is a one portion. In this portion also comes. So in development, if somebody asks in development, where is the portion of welding? This is the portion of welding. Wherever I indicate, wherever I point you, in this portion welding comes, and here also welding comes. So finally we took decision For making this kind of one job, shrinkage is there. Those 2552 isn't a good measurement, and we have to add 2 mm with that one. 2554 into 2002.5. In this 2002.5, there is no need for us to add because there is no welding comes in this portion. Because of that, there is no shrinkage, and there is no welding comes in its bottom side. Because of that, there is no shrinkage. In this job, the person who has given us that drawing didn't indicate there is one welding comes in its top side. There is no welding comes in its bottom side. But welding comes in this side and welding comes this side. Okay. So we have to increase 2 mm from 2 mm with the 2552 and 2552 plus 2. 2554, but there is no need for us to increase 2002.5 plus 2. Okay, I just conclude this one and start our main episode. As you know, it is the English version of my Malayalam YouTube channel, Fabricated Cons. Fabricated Cons is my first video serial. It is in Malayalam. It is about engineering. Whatever I tell in Fabricated Cons, that is being repeated in Structural Supervisor's Manual. That is also my YouTube channel, but it is in Hindi. Now it is English version. In this English version, I have named degree calculations. It is the 11th part of degree calculations. So I have so many subjects. As you know, you have so many subjects. One subject is engineering. This is related with engineering. And another one subject is Bible. Third subject is safety. Fourth subject is English. Fifth subject is cinema. In these subjects, I give these subjects in 3 languages: English, Hindi, Malayalam. So actually subjects are only 5, but series have become 9 because of these 3 languages. It is another language because it is English. Actually, it's the first version was in Malayalam, that is Fabricated Cons. Okay. When we consider about my all series, all language series, it is my 91st video. 91 episode today I complete. 91st episode has become degree calculations 11th episode. Okay. Then why did I say it? Means its main video is Fabricated Cons Malayalam. That its name is Fabricated Cons. Actually, I had decided to say about cons, but instead of, if I started to say about cons, somebody may not be able to understand. So I started this kind of developments. So we shall study proper measurements from today onwards. So we shall study about a cone and its development. Think about one cone. It is one cone. I didn't write its outer diameter or inner diameter. I have written its medium diameter. It is 1200. Why did I write without thickness? It can be studied afterwards. If you study it with thickness, major diameter, minor diameter, it will be difficult for you, because you are the first class of my Fabricated cons. So study without thickness first. Afterwards, I shall teach you with the thickness. Okay. And so it means 1200 is the diameter from here to here, and its height is 2000. Height means straight height. Height starts from here to here is 2000, not this height. It is inclined height. I didn't write about its inclined height. I wrote about the straight height. It is 2000. Actually, I wrote, when I draw one drawing, it has to have plan, elevation, side view, and the roll views. I have told you about it in earlier episodes, but only one drawing I have indicated, that is its front view. But through this only one view, only one front view, only one elevation, you can understand it is a cone. How do you understand? One center line I have given. This is called center line. One small line. Afterwards, slight gap is there. Afterwards, again lengthy line. Afterwards, again gap is there, and there is a small line. Again gap is there. Again lengthy line, small line. That kind of continuation is coming. So we can recognize this is a round-shaped job, and it is the proper center line. So only using elevation, only using front view, we understood it is a cone. It is a cone. Okay. How should we make its development? When we made its development, it was very easy. It has a rectangular shape, but it is a cone. How will we make its development? Before telling about it, how will be the bottom side of this one? Everybody knows it is round shape. This kind of one round shape. If I had drawn its plan will be like this. I don't like to write its plan. According to third angle projection, if I draw one plan, I had to draw the plan of this job in its top side. I had to draw plan here. In this portion I had to draw plan. But I told you I don't like to draw plan. I drew only elevation because this is enough for one job. Everybody can understand it is a round shaped job. Its diameter is 1200. Its vertical height is 2000. But how will we its plan? If I had drawn its plan, it will be like this. One round will be there, and in its center there will be a dot. Dot is this. This is dot. Okay. How will be its development? From here to here, it is having a length. That length is same when we take a length from here to here. It means this length and this length are same. How will we be showing it in plan? This length I can show it in plan. From here to here is this length. I told this length and this length both are same. How will we be showing it in plan? This length and this length are same. If this length and this length are same, this length and this length also will be same. Everybody knows it. This length and this length also will be same. All lengths from center to this portion will be same. It means all length from center to this portion will be same. All length from here to here will be same. All length from here to this side is same. All length from here to here is same. Every portion, because it is a round shaped job. So when we make its development, its length will be same from a point. Approximate one point I indicate here. One point. This is a point. From this point to everywhere, same length will be there. Same length will be there. Same length. It means if from one point all points are having same length, it means it is a round portions, one portion. One rounds, one portion. It means it is a portion of one big rounds, half. Sometimes it may be half portion, sometimes it may be quarter portion, sometimes it may be its 40% of portion, sometimes it may be its 60% of portion. We don't know about it. Approximate development will be like this. Now we recognized if we make its development, its approximate shape will be from here to here, and then one round comes because all measurements from this point to the end of the diameter, end of the base is same. From here to here is same. I have indicated it in plan. Here to here is same. Here to here is same. I indicate that one in plan. Here to here is same. Like that. Here to here is same. I indicate it in plan.